Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best tankless water heater. Here are the top 3 tankless water heaters that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. ECOTOUCH Electric Tankless Water Heater. This electric water heater supplies instant, consistent, and endless hot water at 116 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, making it perfect for the sinks. It comes with an amazing feature that adjusts power input based on flow rate and temperature setting in real time. This appliance is ideal for kitchens, bars, schools, hospitals, and hair salons as it possesses a touch control panel for convenient temperature maneuvering. Its inner water and electricity lines are designed to run separately, avoiding leakage or scale buildup damage. ECOTOUCH Tankless Water Heater is compact and sturdy and can be mounted horizontally, vertically or obliquely for preferred usage and convenience. At number 2. Sio Green IR288 V2 POU Infrared Electric Tankless Water Heater. This appliance has an infrared heating design that uses 110 volts or 220 volts and heats water with high temperature, saving time and money. The water electric heater creates heat without direct contact with metals, preventing corrosion, limescale deposits, and calcium buildup. It provides a 30-day money-back guarantee if the product is found with defects or has been damaged while transit. This machinery is less than 20 inches in length, which makes it ideal for small bathrooms, storage, kitchens, and commercial purposes. Sio Green Electric Tankless Heater is an ideal home appliance that has the feature to adjust the current from 10A 40A, resulting in 1.5 kilowatts to 9.0 kilowatts power. At number 1. Stiebel Eltron Tankless Heater. This heater has an advanced flow control patented technology which automatically maintains water temperature for constant comfort. It has a small, sleek white design which saves space and acts as an endless hot water source for all members. It has an electronic switch that activates the hot water heater, a digital temperature display, preset temperature options, and memory buttons. It is a 12 kilowatts tankless heater which requires a minimum recommended electric service of 100A and offers an output water temperature of 68 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Stiebel Tankless Heater is one of the top-rated electric tankless water heaters that perform with the highest standards for comfort and reliability. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.